Hi guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. There is a lot of fun on it. Just sit and wait for the moment. Here we go. So please, if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just hit that right button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the more update. Alright, sit down and let's get started.
And money. And you're going Akpo. Akpo. And you're telling me it's tomorrow Akpo. Yesterday Akpo, you are trading it away. Yesterday Fufu. With my hard-earned money. Now I'm telling the dogs, so see this biscuit. I bought it with my hard-earned money. So I'm going to eat it without giving you thing. I don't give you already the make the people now. So that if I pass here tomorrow, I'm not going to find me. Remember? But I know say everybody get their own territory. all the demons, they get their own territory. When I will be dog, when I get their own territory.
So they will not say you don't come.
Nah,
When you come, they will not say.
Shebi no say I dey patronize una. No be I dey give una now. Tomorrow I go come call you when they say I to go slap you with that now. I go. That one name na Mankechi o. He just born day before yesterday. See. Mankechi. Okorie. This one Okorie. Okorie go still the other day. They break him leg, one leg. He go clinic. They just give him comot the bandage. Oboloro. Oboloro, where is your spec? I heard you have a short-sighted problem. What did doctor say? Obolanu. And I still say don't finish. You see, this dog is very clever. I put small one and he refused to take. He's looking for big one. Your name is Oji. Have best moment of your life. Don't worry, okay? See this dog. There's no bad moment. Finish. If you don't want to worry yourself, don't worry. Want to worry? Go ahead. For me, if you don't understand, like this. So, my dear, come and enjoy with me. As I'm feeding the dogs with what we eat. We and dog, we eat the same thing. If you are chopping chicken now, you don't want chicken, no. Whatever you eat, give. And you see the way they're rushing it like Modwe. As if you're in Oshodi bus stop. They just send you, they will rush it. See, not even single biscuit, even the pieces. They have finished everything. They're looking for the one in my hand. Guy, I will give you pieces. They have finished everything. They're looking for the one in my hand. Guy, I will give you again. For what? Best moment of your life. Don't worry, okay? See this dog. There's no bad moment. Just finish. So, my dear, come and enjoy with me. As I'm feeding the dogs. This is India. We feed dogs with what we eat. We and dog, we eat the same thing. If you are chopping chicken now, you don't want chicken, no. Whatever you eat, give. And you see the way they're rushing it like Modwe. As if you're in Oshodi bus stop. They just send you, they will rush it. See, not even single biscuit, even the pieces. They have finished everything. They're looking for the one in my hand. Nah, guy, I won't give you a grade. Mama, you buy them. For what? See the guy is has a black rich. All of them they wear my hand. Now this last cup, na me go carry am. No one I go carry am. Huh?
Not all.
God. It's a go.
Second it.
You finish.
Go finish. Okay.
Life is so sweet. And as you dey chop, make you dey sanitize your hand.
Sanitize your mouth also.
That is danger whiskey. If you sanitize your mouth, then you don't collect James and John and Philip and Bartholomew.
Okay. So sanitize your hand.
Only hand.
Yeah.
But if you only smell alcohol.
So, what are you here?
Huh?
Any message, anything? You don't
The
answer.
message I have is that life is so precious and you should treat it with kind. You have to live your life with consciousness. Don't live a life of carelessness. Whatever you do, be conscious of what you do of that. And at the end of the day, the result becomes so negative that people begin to look at us so weirdly. What is wrong with this person? And it might turn out to a situation where people see you as someone without thinking faculty. But why? You have something in your upstairs, but just because you are not conscious of what you are doing. You might be very wise, but at the same time become so foolish because the way you handle situation. Life is so sweet, handle it with care. You see this life? Why did it? If I not sanitize my hand, I need to carry the James and John. And when I chop and finish, I need to carry myself to hospital. And when that happens, we know the result. Because your account number will call. And I love India. They will tell you, where are your card? You bring your card. They will swipe. And the alert now for your phone number. They don't come out how much? 20,000, 15,000, 10,000. And if you change it in Naira, brother, they trust you don't need anybody, I don't need anybody. I don't care. I'm the big boy. You don't need anybody. I tell you, get sense. If you don't get sense, go borrow. Because when they born you, a person carry you. And now, not be true at all.
Not true.
When they carry you, they go church. Not the person carry you for altar. Okay, your mate said only your man carry you, they dance. They rejoice. My brother and people carry you that day. They can't say when I go school after all. Who helped me? Now lie. Now I tell you, now person they carry you go school. They even hold you. Sometimes they carry you for back. They come back from school. Oh yeah, now talk. Now lie. When you sick, no person help you. Carry you go hospital. They tell me say no need anybody, because say they drive Mercedes Benz. I better park one side. I tell you last, if you die, a person will still carry you put inside grave. You know, carry yourself put inside grave. You hear what they talk? Get sense.
That's all for today.
Get sense.
Huh?
That's all for today. Tomorrow,
Yeah.
I will talk to you now.
Person needs person to grow up. So
You don't hear them?
Don't
You need
hear.
somebody. We need
We know
somebody to
somebody.
help somebody. We know somebody. Make help somebody. We get sense. We go help somebody. We like you. We need sense. Sure you understand me now? Oh yeah.
okay now. Bye.